Once upon a time, in the magical land of Numberville, lived a young, smart boy named Zippy. He wasn't just any boy, he was a math wizard. With his glowing pencil wand and a cape full of numbers, Zippy could turn any problem into a math adventure. But one morning, something went terribly wrong. Boom! The town's magical calculator, the Numberulator, exploded and numbers flew everywhere. "Oh no," squawked Mayor Parrot. "We can't count bananas or add our lunch orders. Zippy, we need help." Zippy didn't panic. He did what any smart wizard would do. He called his best friend Wizzy. Wizzy zoomed down from the sky in a swirl of sparkles. He's not just any robot. He's an AI genius with math powers built into his circuits. "Brain mode activated," Wizzy beeped with a smile. "Let's get those numbers back."